Hey everyone, welcome to the Alexander Bros Woodworking YouTube channel. Today I'm going to try a 4-inch razor scraper to get all this glue off our work table. See if that works. If that doesn't work, then I'll try the heavy duty floor scraper, but hopefully the little one works. This is the QEP, I guess is how it's pronounced. Comes with 5 extra blades that are in the handle. Picked it up at the Home Depot. I think it was 20 bucks. So we'll try it because this glue and stuff's getting annoying on the table. All right, let's see if this is going to work. Well, so far so good on the little stuff. Yeah, I think this is going to work great. That's staying sharp. Oh, it's looking pretty good so far. You guys have any other suggestions on how to get this off that would work besides, put plastic down or something? Just type it in the comments. This is about probably a year's worth of glue buildup. We got some off before, but we usually don't let it get this bad. A couple stubborn spots, but it's getting there. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you're new here. It doesn't cost you a thing, and we'd appreciate it. I'm gonna try different style videos to see what you guys like. Any suggestions, just let us know. Might have to pull the big one out. We'll see. Oh, these spots are tough. It's getting there. Looking better already. Doing this in real time just to see how long it takes. Mainly type on too. That stuff sure sets up good. All the lines are from all the tracks cuts. It's just a sacrificial top, but be nice to work on it without all the glue. Scratching up the projects. Little spots aren't too bad. I guess I do a little twist when I push. Cap came off with the extra blades. Ooh, now we're getting into the thick stuff. What's everybody's favorite type of wood to work with? We like walnut. It's probably our favorite. What kind of finish do you guys prefer? Natural oil finish, lacquer, water-based, polyurethane. We kind of like the water-based. It doesn't stink as much. It dries pretty quick. End spots. A little trickier, there's so many cuts on the table. Oh, almost there. Oh, I think I got it. Final check. Little drop. A little more in that corner. I think we got it. Oh. Give it a little vacuum. I'll be right back with you. Yeah, I believe I got it all. Looks a lot better. Good and smooth. Well, not totally smooth because of the cuts in the table, but no more little chunks of glue that scratch up projects. And yeah, I'm impressed. So yeah, if you guys ever want a good scraper for scraping glue off your workbench or anything, I'm gonna try it next one we do a glue up to get off the boards, the extra glue. We'll see if that works. But yeah, 4-inch razor scraper from the Home Depot, 20 bucks here in Canada. Comes with 5 extra blades. I like it. Thanks for watching. Until the next one, thank you. Have a great day.